Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a Zinger burger patty. First, ensure you have 2 boneless, skinless chicken breasts, each around 6 ounces. Next, prepare your spice mix with 1 teaspoon of paprika, half a teaspoon of garlic powder, and a 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne pepper for that signature kick. Finally, gather your coating ingredients: 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, and 1 beaten egg. Now, let's prepare the chicken. Carefully slice each 6-ounce chicken breast horizontally, creating 2 thinner cutlets from each. This ensures even cooking. Next, place the cutlets between 2 sheets of plastic wrap and gently pound them to an even thickness of about 1/2 inch. This tenderizes the meat and helps it cook faster. Finally, generously season both sides of each chicken cutlet with your delicious spice blend. It's time for the breading and frying. First, dip each seasoned chicken cutlet into the beaten egg, ensuring it's fully coated. This helps the breading adhere. Next, transfer the egg-dipped chicken to your seasoned flour and cornstarch mixture, pressing firmly to get a thick, crispy coating. Finally, carefully fry the patties in hot oil, maintained at 350 degrees Fahrenheit, for 4 to 5 minutes per side until golden brown and cooked through. Your Zinger patties are almost ready. After frying, place them on a wire rack to drain any excess oil, ensuring they stay crispy. Now, it's time to assemble your perfect Zinger burger. Grab a toasted bun, add fresh lettuce, your crispy chicken patty, and a generous dollop of your favorite creamy sauce. For a truly fresh experience, check the description for a link to Little Tree's Black Ice and other great deals. Enjoy your homemade, delicious Zinger burger.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.